Hi, this is Sue from Perfectly Pure and Natural. Today we are going to be making mozzarella cheese. I have Haley, one of my granddaughters here helping. We're at her house, so we're gonna, I put some milk in the pot already. You can see this pot. And it's about a gallon, between a gallon and gallon and a half of milk. And it's raw milk. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on low heat on the stove and we're gonna stir it. And we are going to get that up to approximately 90-95 degrees. That's our goal right now. And down below here, I do have some things already started. Let me get this camera. I have 1 cup of water with 1.5 teaspoons of citric acid. Then I have 1/4 of a cup of water, and I have 1/2 of a teaspoon of rennet. This will be going into the pot. As soon as we get this up to 90 to 95 degrees, that is what I'm waiting for right now, and we will be back. Okay, before this gets up to temperature, I'm going to add the citric acid. And remember, for this amount, I have about 1 cup of water to 1.5 teaspoons of citric acid. And this we want to incorporate well. And then I will be checking the temperature again. So remember, we want this about 90, 95. I don't think it's, we do want a decent temperature, but it doesn't, basically to the touch, if it's like warm bath water, I think. But they say 90 degrees, so we're going to try to shoot for 90 degrees. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I guess that's working. I'm going to shut this off because we can see it's already starting to curdle. So I'm going to take that off of the fire. And now we're going to add the rennet. And the rennet you do only leave in for, or that has to be a 20-second. 30 second. So I'm going to add it slowly, but I do want that well incorporated. Team 20, 21, 22. Okay, we're going to put the lid on that. Okay, now we're going to leave these sit here. Well, it has been about 25 minutes, and now I'm going to cut the curds. See that cut it? This one's cutting pretty good. I'm actually like sawing through it, but can you see that? I know when I've seen the curds, it's a little bit different than that, but I'm just going to go in a pattern here. Just cut it up and down. I'm going to try to break these curds up into about 1 inch by 1 inch pieces. Granted, it's not going to be perfect, but you get the idea. I'll go this way, and then I'll cut the other way. Isn't this interesting? Come over here with the baby bumpkins.
Look at it.
Okay, I gotta show you the baby here. Say hi.
Yes.
This is little Elizabeth. Huh? Yeah. And Haley. Okay, we're gonna get back to cutting the curds here. Okay, see, I went one way, now I'm going to go the other way. And then after I get this done, we're going to put it back on the heat, and we're going to stir it slowly until it gets up to 100 degrees, give or take a degree or two. And then, you're supposed to slice it sideways too, if you can. Basically, you just want to cut these curds up. But as you can see, it is cheese. Look at that. Just try to cut up as much as you can. Okay, I'll be back. It has gotten up to 100 degrees, and I'm going to now strain it. Let's put it over here. Is that going to show the bucket? Okay. and I just used a regular strainer. I mean, granted, if you wanted to really get all the curds, sure you're not seeing anything. Whoa! Okay, I got a great big lump there. Which, can you see that? No, you can't see it. Can you put it over there, honey? Actually, I should take this and put it here. Do you see the curds? And it's just straining off, and we got a lot of whey in the bottom. I'm going to just let this sit for a little bit. Okay, so now I put it in boiling hot water, and look at this beautiful, stretchy mozzarella cheese. It's awesome. Look at that. Want to bring it up close? Look at that. Nice, shiny. Look at that beautiful stuff. Oh, that's what you want. But you put it in boiling hot water, as hot as you can stand it. It's actually not boiling because I can actually handle it. But you just set it in there, and we're trying to get the rest of the whey out. This was clear water. Look at how milky it is now because I put the cheese in there, and we're going to try to get all the whey out. But look at this. Look at this stretch.
How much cheese did you put in it?
How much cheese? Okay, ready? Okay, look at what I made today. Two big, nice things. This is the latest one. This is the first one I made. It's a little bit darker in color because I think it's got more of the moisture out of it. This one's going to have to get some more moisture out of it, which I am very happy with this. And here's all my helpers today. Hi, guys. Thank you for tuning in to Perfectly Pure and Natural.